So dungarees, we call those overalls in the US. I mean, everyone wears them differently. So models wear it with nothing underneath. Most people probably would wear it with like a tank top. I think it's quite cool. I've seen girls wear it with a sports bra underneath, like a Calvin Klein sports bra. I think it's good to wear something underneath. For me, I can't wear it because I know that the shape of my body, it doesn't look good on the shape of my body, but I think it looks great on other people. I think fringe is an amazing trend. I love it. I hope it doesn't go out of style. Fringe looks so good when it's moving. So when you're walking, and it looks really good on boomerang and slow motion on Instagram. So if you're wearing fringe, the way I would wear it is on Instagram. So I would walk, I would do a slow motion turn. I would just be always moving. I would never sit still. Silk is such a beautiful fabric. I think silk looks beautiful on women who like to accentuate their curves. For me, I cannot wear it because I have a 3-year-old daughter and a 1-year-old boy, and they would get food all over it and would be ruined forever, and my dry cleaning bills would be too high. But I do think silk looks so beautiful. It looks very luxurious, and the texture of it is so soft and feminine. Shirt dresses are my favorite. They're so easy. I love the kind of mix of masculine and feminine of a shirt dress, and I think there's so many ways you can style it. You can wear it with a pair of Adidas or a pair of trainers. You could also wear it with a pair of like pumps and have it be more work appropriate. I think shirt dresses are a classic piece that every woman should have in her closet. Pantsuits, I'm a big fan of a suit, as you can see today. I think pantsuits are about power dressing, and right now we're at a place where women feel empowered, women want to feel like, you know, control and empowered in their destiny. And pantsuits, just like when women were working in the 1980s and the 1990s, I think that's one of the reasons why they're on trend right now. I love the trend, I love suits. I think it's an easy way to feel pulled together. And my favorite way to style a pantsuit is with a t-shirt. So you don't need to wear it with a button-down shirt. Wear it with a nice, clean white t-shirt. Dad sneakers. It's not a trend for everyone. I personally am a big fan, mostly because dad sneakers are very comfortable. They're like lots of padding, lots of ankle support, very good. I think Doc Martens are a forever trend. Like, it's not something that ever is going to go away. Just yesterday here in Berlin, I saw a woman with hot pink hair, a shaved head that was hot pink, and she was wearing a black dress in Doc Martens, and she was the coolest girl I've seen in Berlin. So I think it's an amazing trend. Bucket hats look good, not on everyone. But if you are the kind of person who could pull off a bucket hat, I would just wear a bucket hat all the time. It's a good cool girl, cool boy style. For me, I wear it in the summer, but it doesn't look as cool on me as it does on like someone in Berlin, I think. Okay, so I call the 90s sunglasses matrix glasses, like, you know, really teeny tiny glasses. You know, they look really amazing on Rihanna. They look really good on Gigi and Bella Hadid. They look really good on people in Berlin. For me, I look at myself in the little glasses and sometimes I'm like, oh, it doesn't look great. But you know what? Fashion is supposed to be fun. Fashion is not supposed to be too serious. So you know what? Why not try it? Transparency in everything is cool right now, from your favorite companies to fashion. And I think that it's a great way to find things. So if you have a transparent Celine purse, you never have to look for your lip gloss. So that's definitely a trend right now. It's hard to wear something plastic, you know, PVC, when it's like 90 degrees, or I don't know what that is in Celsius, but when it's really hot, it gets a little bit sticky, but I think it looks really cool. I have a few transparent pieces, yes, but I always wear it with clothes underneath.